Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 27th to 31st October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as we can see 0.06% positive move, 1.16250 was the closing on Friday. So today I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a weekly candle as a bearish candle with a good lower wick and a small upper wick. Currently stochastic RSI is at oversold area, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on the channel. So currently you can see there are already important support zones and resistance zones are marked where we have marked during our previous week analysis. So we don't need to mark any such new levels because I don't see any new or different data which helps us to or gives us an indication to change any levels. So currently let's talk about the closing first. So here we can see 1.16250 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.16000 and direct resistance is 1.16457. Here after direct support there is a support of 1.15500 and then 1.15079. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also this will help you to take a better decision for this week. So now if you don't know what is prop firm or what is funded account, I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. If you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also I've shared 20% discount coupon code which will help you to get 20% discount on any challenges that you buy. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. I have also shared a payout request, live withdrawal payout request that will help you to get a to make a decision that you will also get paid once you make profits on your account. So do check that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So I'm expecting a positive move that is around in this range, that is 1.16457 to 1.16921. and I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. If you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade. Once 1.16000 gets breached and a one day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short trade till 1.155500. So overall I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.